The ball was in her court.
The ball's in your court.
Ball's in your court, Captain.
Ball's in your court, Hunter.
Ball's in your court.
The ball's in your court, Mr. McCloy.
No, the ball's in your court.
The point is to keep the ball in your court.
The truth is, the ball's in her court now.
The ball is in your court. In order for those rules to change...
But the ball's in my court now.
English Idiom Challenge. What does "the ball is in your court" mean? Correct answer is it's your turn to take action. The ball is in your court means it's your responsibility or turn to act. Like and subscribe for more idioms.